Hmm. Can you hear me now? Oh, probably. Cough, cough. Hello.
Hello, Cody.
So I've been wondering, how do you say your name?
My name?
Yeah,
Well, it's Leo Nilsson, but it's easier if you say just Leo.
Leo. All right.
That makes it easier for me because I was wondering the same thing.
Yeah, my name is not easy, even in Brazil.
Really? Oh. So have you been up to college yet, or just online?
Sorry?
Have you actually been up to BYU, Idaho, or just online classes?
No, just online. I hope to be in BIO Idaho for the. Oh, what's the word? Just a second. When you finish the course, graduation, the graduation ceremony.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I'm going to take the course entirely online.
That's cool. What about you, Michael? Where are you from?
I live in Maryland.
Maryland. Cool.
I've only ever met one other person at BYU Idaho that is out here, so I'm out in the middle of like nowhere. Yeah, I'm still putting the finishing touches on the presentation. Um, I was kind of hoping to get like a screenshot or two and add it into the presentation. I don't know if we want like entire slide dedicated to just like showing what the basic UI looks like for it, or if we want to just add screenshots onto some of the existing slides. I'm not sure which would be the better way to do it.
I don't know. If everything works well, then I'll be able to have the actual thing up and running soon
So,
enough.
Cody, were you able to install it?
No, my Hyper-V kind of crashed on me in the middle of it. So I'm trying it right now. Shouldn't take too long though, right? Once it finishes. So this is just a firewall. This isn't like a router or anything, right? Or does it have like routing capabilities?
From what I could tell reading through it, it actually does seem to have some routing capabilities, but I don't think that's quite as extensive in what it can do as what a complete router is able to do.
Excuse me. Yeah, because we used pfSense before in another job as a router or an option for a router. But when I was looking up firewalls, it said pfSense was just a firewall. So I'm not sure how this one fits into the scheme there.
So can I add some conclusion here on the presentation?
Yeah, if you want to make changes, go for it. I've not gone to work on the conclusion slide, so feel free to add anything to that you would like.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that I shared it so that you guys have edit permissions. Yeah, it looks like it.
So Michael, you
Yes.
have the exact same name as one of my friends from back home who is also going to BYU Idaho.
Where's home for you?
Washington?
Okay, Washington State.
Yeah.
Okay.
I forget people on the East
Being
Coast
out here,
think.
being out here in Maryland, you always have to double check that because Washington D.C. is very close to where I live. So
Yeah. I think
you have
anyone
to
on the
double
East
check.
Coast has said that to me. No. Okay. Zero 15. So Leo, you ever been outside of Brazil?
Sorry?
Have you ever been outside of Brazil?
Not yet, but I'm planning. In the next years, I want to know some countries, US, Europe, and other places. But since I have kids now, probably the first place I'll go it's going to be Disneyland.
Nice. Oh. Well, it looks like it's about 26% for the first startup for where the firewall's doing right now. I'm not sure if that means percent done or percent CPU usage.
I could not tell you. I personally have never used this. Actually, prior to a few days ago, I'd never even heard of it.
Hmm.
So, how exactly do we want to actually do the presentation then? Because let's see, it says that it only needs to be like 5 to 10 minutes long, so it doesn't need to be too terribly long. And it sounds like we can basically have our pick of how we want to do it. If we all want to uh, just comment on the presentation as we are going through it, or we can have just like one person present, and then we'll just like rotate through the weeks that we have presentations. I don't know how many presentations there actually
There's
are
3.
going to be that we do. There's 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
So we could just have Leo present if he feels up to that, and we can just comment as we see fit. And then next week, you or I could, or not next week, whenever the next one is, you or I could just do it.
Uh, yes, but to present, I would need the firewall installed, right? So while it's installing, so I think it would be easier. Well, if we split the presentation, we don't need to do comments on the forum, correct?
Right.
So what about if I present the theoretical stuff and Cody can present the firewall install itself, and Michael, you can say anything in the conclusion based on what I wrote. What do you think?
I think it sounds good.
because I had no opportunity to see this firewall working. So
Yeah, that definitely makes it a little bit difficult to be able to talk about it.
how's the installation going? Do you think
I
it's
don't,
going to
it's
work?
not actually letting me get to the management interface. It's installed and this says management URL, go there, and it's just not giving me the interface. So basically this is what I got. And this is what the VM firewall is showing me. So I can't actually access the management interface.
Huh.
So green.
So did your friend, he had this up and running, you said, right?
Yes. I had an idea. Just a second. I'm asking, I'm checking if Thiago is available so he can give us a tip in our Hangout.
Realtek wireless LAN. That's what it's supposed to be. Let's see if I can view it from my Linux box or my Linux. No, don't shut. Oh my gosh. Really?
Okay, Thiago is turning on his machine and he can give us any tip if you are missing something. Okay, now I'm here.
What is my IP address? Problem? No, on the right.